What's up everyone, it's your girl Deja and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be discussing razor bumps and ingrown hairs. So if you're trying to get rid of them right now, I have ways that will get rid of it in one product, y'all. Like, it will get rid of it like this in pretty much just a day. And I'll also be talking about how to prevent it. So if you guys want to learn more about that, make sure that you watch the whole video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, we're so close to 2K subscribers. It'll mean the world if you just hit that button, and make sure that you turn on your post notifications so you'll not miss when I post. And I post every Monday now. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is what are razor bumps and what are ingrown hairs. So razor bumps are small irritated bumps, so that can be caused by shaving. So when you shave, if you get like little tiny bumps after that, that's a razor bump. An ingrown hair is when you shave and then the hair grows back into the skin, so it causes inflammation. So now that we covered that, I want to talk about how can you prevent it. Number one, shave in the right direction. Now this tip is so important because if you shave up, down, left, right, all over the place, your skin will become irritated. It is best to shave either the way your hair grows or against it to prevent this irritation. Personally, I like to shave sideways. That way works the best for me. I've tried the other ways and it just didn't work. So you want to make sure that you shave in the right direction so your skin is not irritated. Tip number two, buy a good razor. Now this one may be like the most important one because if you don't have the right tools, you're not going to get a good shave. I personally like to use Venus's razor, and it is for sensitive skin, which is an important key, is for sensitive skin, and it has 3 blades. Now, I want to talk a little about blades for a second. 3 is like the happy medium because you get a good shave without it doing too much. Whereas if you get a 5 or 6, it can be too harsh for the skin. And if you get a 2-blade one, it won't be enough. So you're gonna have to like keep going over and over and over it again. So 3-blade is like the way to go. And I want to talk about another brand, Bic or either BIC, whatever you want to call it. I know a lot of people like using those, but those are like good for your legs or maybe underneath your arms, but for down there, no, like don't do it. It is a 2-blade, so that one, it just causes more irritation. Like when I used that once before, I had to like keep going over it and over it, whereas Venus is just like a smooth glide, just smooth, whereas Bic is like So you want to make sure that you buy a good razor, and along with buying a good razor, you need to change them. Now, you may not have known that, so I want to stress the importance of changing it, because after a few shaves, you need to just throw them out. For me personally, after like 2 or 3, I'm done with it. Some people get a good 5 or 6 in. It's all up to you. But even after, you reuse them, you want to make sure you clean them. So I just like to get some rubbing alcohol and I sanitize it, and after that I get some water and soap and clean it again, because you don't want to use a dirty razor. So you just want to make sure you clean it, and after a while throw it out. Tip number 3, exfoliate. Now I'm sure you've heard before you need to exfoliate your face, but you may not have known like you need to exfoliate down there as well. That is so important to get rid of the dead skin, and it will just help with your shave tremendously. Like once I started doing this, it made a world of a difference. I like to just get an exfoliating glove, and then I use a gentle soap. I like Ivory or Dove, and I just put that on a glove and then just rub down there basically. But you want to make sure that you exfoliate, and don't try to just exfoliate the day that you're shaving. Like, okay, that's good, but you need to work up to it. So you want to be shaving, weeks in advance. Make it a regular thing in your routine is just exfoliate like once or twice a week, because that'll make a difference when you shave. Now that I gave you 3 ways to prevent it, I want to talk about 3 solutions to get rid of them. And I know this is what you came for, because you may have a razor bump right now and you're like, Deja, I need to get rid of it. Like, okay, thank you for the prevention, but I need to get rid of it. So I got you. I have 3 products and they're all great. So the first product I have is Aloe Vera Gel. Now I typed out what exactly it does because I want to give you guys exactly what it does. So Aloe Vera has an antibacterial, smoothing, moisturizing, and anti-inflammatory effect. It quickly helps with itchiness, inflammation, and redness caused by a razor. And when I say it does all of that, it does all of it. This is the one I like to use. It is by Fruit of the Earth. This one has been a lifesaver because aloe vera gel, it is a great source of moisturizing. So after you shave, you know, it's kind of dry down there, so you want to put something on. This is what I use right after I shave. I use this literally right after I shave, and it feels so good. It's soothing. And if you do this right away, it will like just stop the razor bumps that could potentially come. Or if you already have them, just put it on and it'll help it go away. So this is my first one and I just love it so much. And this is just a little bottle, but you can definitely get a bigger one. I got this set off of Amazon and it came in 3, and I'll put the products down in the description box below. My second solution is witch hazel, and just like I did with aloe vera gel, I want to talk about what it does. So witch hazel is a natural astringent and anti-inflammatory. It's used as a natural remedy to soothe burns, relieve pain, and treat minor skin irritation. And of course, that skin irritation can be from shaving. So the way I like to use it, this is Dickinson's, so I'll put it in the description box below as well. The way I like to use it is I just put a little bit on a cotton pad, and then I just like pat on the razor bumps that I have, or if I don't have any, just in like that area where it'll be. And I want to stress too, we are not putting these products on the inside, we're just putting it on the outside, because I want to stress that you may not know that. So yes, make sure that you're not putting on the inside, no, just on top. But witch hazel is another great solution and I love using it. And sometimes I like to use these two in conjunction. So the way I'll do it is I'll use this in the morning, and then when I take another shower, I use this at nighttime. So that's how I like to use that. My third solution is like the product that's like a miracle worker. Like if you need something quick, this is the product. So these are razor bump pads. So this is what it looks like. It is from Divine. I got this off of Amazon, and I was actually watching another YouTuber and she recommended this. And when I say this will I just get rid of it, I don't know what happened. I was not following my tips above, but I had like all these tiny little bumps just like on the side, and I was like, what the heck, like on my bikini area, and I was like, what the heck is going on? And so I just needed something that would like get rid of it quickly. The other ones are great, but I kind of need something faster. So I bought this, and when I say I used it and like the next day it was pretty much like almost gone. Like if it wasn't gone, it made a huge difference. If you just keep using it, like it will make a huge difference. So I want to kind of show you guys what it looks like. It smells like nail polish remover, so it does not have the best smell, but it's little pads. So all you have to do is just take a pad out and like pat in the area. And when I use this, I do not use my witch hazel. What I'll do is I'll just put this on in the morning and put this on at night, because I feel like these two together is just like too much to do. So I put on aloe vera gel in the morning and this at nighttime. And this, you definitely want to be careful, because since it does like have other ingredients in it, you want to make sure that it doesn't get in any other area, just the area it's supposed to get in. But when I say this will do the job, like it will do the job. So I hope you guys enjoyed these tips and tricks. These tips have made a world of a difference for me. And when I say like I was struggling to find the perfect solution, because I felt like I was trying everything and nothing was working. So I'm really hoping that it'll work for you guys. Everybody is different, so I want to mention that. What works for me may not work for you, but I have done my research, and a lot of researchers have talked about, you know, using witch hazel, aloe vera gel, and just ways to prevent it. So it's not like I just made this up in my head, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Bye. First touch, get left in the dust, no room to judge.